I'm excited to talk about something near and dear to my heart. That would be what's coming up in the month of February in our little creative world. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and can you believe we are already stepping into a brand new month? It's going to be filled with inspiration, creativity, and of course, love for the month of February. Today, I'm going to share a quick flip through of my Create book from January and show you how I am getting it set up for the month of February. And I want to talk a little bit about embracing the crafting and the creativity that you love. Let's go. All right, let's start by taking a quick look at the month of January. We're having a great time. The Create book is something, I'm calling it a creative workbook, and it is available to my pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple patrons. It is a downloadable printable that you can use each month to bring a little extra inspiration into your planner. And in the month of January, we had a great time talking about creative goal setting. I am a big goal setter. I think it's super important. And I think it's really important to embrace all of the goals that you have. Embrace the things that you are loving. And so that's what we did. In January, we had a lot of fun. We got started by decorating our divider, and then we jumped straight into the Create book. You're going to see that parts of this are cut out, parts of it are marked up. It's just fun. It's kind of like a creative magazine. You get a note from me. You have a calendar to start the month. We set some visions, some goals for our particular month for things that we wanted in our personal lives and in our creative lives. We had a color challenge, and I am so proud of all of the creations. Everyone embraced the color red for the month of January. It was a challenge for those people that are like me. Red was not my favorite color, but we had fun playing with the color challenge, working on it throughout the month. We had paper doll time. My little paper doll is freezing her little tail off out in the snow, but she is welcoming in 2025. We created a color collage. There was a word find. It was just a great month, and we had a lot of fun working through our January Create book. And so I'm excited to get my Create book set up for the month of February. Our color for February is magenta. We are celebrating magenta moments of love, and we are embracing and really celebrating our love of crafting. All right, I'm going to bring you all along as I start getting set up for February. Magenta is the color of the month. It's going to be a great month. So I'll put you all on fast forward. Let's go. All right, I'm going to start out by adding my brand new Create book charm. This will be an exclusive for Patreon members. The top 2 tiers are receiving this as part of their Happy Mail, and I'm excited to offer this to the other tiers as well over in my shop. But there's a little charm that we'll add on each and every month. There's a couple different ways you can add this second key ring here at the bottom to collect all your little charms on their little lobster claws. Each is a little raindrop in a different color for that month. So January is what I'm adding, and it is red, and it has the number 1 engraved onto it. So we will just continue to add all of the raindrops throughout the year, but one to start with. And we're going to get started decorating our dividers. So here's the thing, if you are watching this channel, then I'm guessing that you love crafting, that you like to dabble in all kinds of little creative hobbies. And if that's you, then you are definitely in the right place, because that is me too. And when I get really excited, when I like to geek out over all of my planners and my stickers and my crafting hobbies, not everyone in my life really understands. In fact, sometimes you get those weird looks when you're talking about your newest craft haul to a friend that maybe doesn't share the same hobby. And I have certainly had people kind of make me feel like I should be diminishing this creative inspiration or this creative drive. And what I've loved about the community that I have found here on YouTube and over on Patreon is the reminder that there are a lot of us out there, and your creative hobbies are important. It doesn't have to be your full-time job for it to matter. You don't even have to be very good at it for it to matter. It's whether or not it is sparking that little bit of joy in you. And I think it's important to spend some time and embrace that. Like, watch the YouTube videos that you want to watch. Join in on Patreon fun. If that is going to bring you some extra joy in your life, then really take some time to embrace those silly, quirky crafts, as others might see it, and enjoy the things that you love. Life is just too short to not play with stickers and create rainbow dividers and work in your Create book as much as you feel like. The Create book is more than just a planner. It's a place for your creativity to kind of run wild. And each month we get to dive into something new. We're embracing a new color and a new theme every month for the year 2025. And this February, it's all about embracing creativity with love. Love is going to be running through the whole month, and I could not be more excited. We're going to talk about planning and journaling and crafting all in one, and all from a place of love. Some things coming up, some exclusive content that's happening over in Patreon in the month of February would be 8 exclusive videos. These videos are only available over on Patreon, and there's some really good ones that I'm pretty pumped about. We have self-care journaling, Galentine's planning, crafting what I love tracker, which is awesome because it's going to help us channel our gratitude and passions onto paper and remind us of those over and over. We're going to bring together faith and love and how to combine those into a Bible journaling process. We're going to create a Love Notes mini album capturing some heartfelt moments and a little keepsake. We are also going to play with our planners by creating some DIY heart-themed planner accessories and create a Love Your Craft challenge that's really going to push your creativity. And last but not least, we're going to play with Washi, romantic washi techniques coming your way over on Patreon in February. Plus, since February is all about love, we are going to do some self-care journaling prompts. So for all of the tiers, pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple, each week I'm going to release a series of self-care journaling prompts to help kind of guide us through the month, to get us excited about love and about taking care of ourselves and our own creativity, and really appreciating all of the creativity that we have been given in our lives, and really celebrating those moments in that community together. And of course, don't forget, this Create book is available for all of the rainbow tiers over on Patreon. It's a workbook. It's designed to inspire you month after month. Obviously, we're building through the year. Once you join, you also have access to the printables from January as well. So don't think that you are too late. You can join in on the rainbow fun with us. It's your chance to dive in to your creative side, nurture those passions. Don't ignore them, nurture them, and join in our community. It is truly unmatched. It's a fabulous group of like-minded creatives. We have wonderful chats over on the Patreon app. We hang out with Zoom calls and have live streams. It's a great place to be, and we would definitely love to have you there. I am wrapping up my divider by adding a few Pipstick stickers from my collection. I'm trying my best to use some of my scraps in my stash as I work through my Create book throughout the year. I'm also going to store away the stickers. I have exclusive stickers that go out to the green, blue, and purple tiers of Patreon each month. So I'm going to add in stickers and call it a day on putting together my divider. February is going to be fabulous. I just want to encourage you, whether you join us on Patreon or not, take some time this month to really embrace the craft and the creativity that you love. All right, friends, February is calling. It's going to be a month filled with love, creativity, and endless possibilities. If you're ready to embrace your creative side and really start loving all of your crafting, then now's the time to join us over on Patreon. We would love to have you. You can actually head on over to patreon.com/scrappywife to find out more. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.